Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 155th edition release, and today is release day. So we do have a hop that's going on, so make sure you hop on YouTube to all of the ladies as well as on Instagram. So make sure you're leaving a comment. The details will be down below for the criteria for the hop in order to win the $50 gift certificate for the next following release. All right, I think that's about it. So let's jump right in. I do have a couple more cards to share with you today, and I'm not going to go through everything. I'm just going to give you a quick overview. If you'd like to see everything in detail, check out the video from yesterday. We have the Festive Gingers 1 ephemera pack, so super cute. The Festive Gingers 2 ephemera pack, adorable. Let me shake that around so you can see some of those. And then this is the Festive Holidays 2025 paper pack. And then this one is the Fancy Fold card base die, and it does measure 3.75 by 4.75, so it's going to fit into that envelope that coordinates with all the rest of those 3.75 by 4.75 card bases. So this is really cute. We have the ginger doily dies, and this layering piece will also coordinate with the eyelet doily dies if you pick those up. So all of these layering pieces behind that coordinates with those. And we have the Christmas tags here. And then we also have the eyelet belly band as well as the ginger belly band. I have a couple cards to share with you today. So here is a card that I created using the Fancy Fold card base die. I just used the layers that are in there, as well as her rectangle frame die layers. And this is from both packs of ephemera. I did ink this up, add a little glitter glue on the ephemera, and on the little guy I did trim them out a little bit, and then I inked it up. But really cute. There goes the inside of my card there. Adorable. And then this one, I didn't get a chance to use this yesterday. I didn't show it to you yesterday, so I'm showing it to you today. I did use the Ginger's belly band as well as the Ginger's doily dies on this one. And this is from the larger ephemera pack, the Festive Gingers 2. Really cute. And of course I added the little sparkle on there. Really, really cute. And I don't think I did much to the inside of this one other than use the layering pieces in there. But very cute. Love how that turned out. All right, so today is release day, so make sure you grab one of those codes that you can use and get the percentage off of your total purchase. And make sure you visit all of the ladies. Those links will be down below for that hop, as well as make sure you head over to Instagram to comment over there as well. The criteria for the hop will be down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. Have fun shopping and have a great time hopping. Thanks so much. Have a blessed and crafty day.